Okay, so let's look at how to find the domain and range given a graph. Okay, so the first one says domain. So basically you just want to follow these endpoints to the x-axis, because remember domain is the x-axis. So if I trace this point up to the x-axis, I can see that it touches at x equals 0. If I trace this point, put an arrow there. If I trace this point down to the x-axis, then I can see that it touches at 8. So the graph is sandwiched in between 0 and 8 on the x-axis. So I'm going to pick C. Oops, I forgot that I'm on the screen here. So I'm going to pick C for that one. Okay. But now it wants to know what's the range. So the range is kind of the same thing, but you're just going to be doing it in the y direction instead. So let me kind of erase some of this off. So we're starting fresh again. Okay, so the range is the y values. So if we trace this point to the y-axis, it looks like it goes through 3. And this point's already on the y-axis at -3. So the entire graph is sandwiched in between 3 and -3. Now remember, you always have to go smallest to biggest. So don't put 3 comma -3. Put -3 comma 3. Okay, and they will be parentheses. And the reason why they are parentheses on both the domain and the range is because these are open circles, which means they're not included. If these circles at the endpoints had been solid, then I wouldn't have used parentheses. I would have used square brackets. Okay, so solid circle, use the square bracket. Open circle, use the parentheses to let people know that it's not on the graph. Okay, so this is going to be our range, our y values, smallest to biggest. So always make sure you write the smallest first and then the biggest last. So we're going to put from -3 to 3 using parentheses. And we got it. Awesome. All right, take care, you guys.